sa main sandbar.
Doorbell.
Hello, ma'am, sir. Good morning. So, before you are going to the island, I will give you a short briefing first regarding on the Sumilon Sandbar. So, if the need arises, if you have any concerns of the island, just call the attention of the duty coast guard, lifeguards, and the BOPA personnel. There are also staffs there wearing orange shirts, so just approach them if you need some assistance and help. Then, the western sea part of the sandbar, there's an area here that has red flags, meaning of that, hazardous area to swim due to the strong current. So please take extra care. Please don't go beyond those red flags to avoid accident. You can also bring food and drinks since the island has no store, no shop, and no restaurant. Nothing there. Nowhere for you to buy there, so it's better you bring something to eat and something to drink. You can go there only on the public areas, the sandbar and the marine sanctuary located here. On this resort, this is a private property, so you are not allowed to get in this private area. It's under the Blowwater Resorts. And if you want to go snorkeling here at the marine sanctuary, just inform the guides of the island. They are the ones who assess you going here. You cannot go snorkeling by yourselves. The guide must be required because it's a marine protected area and you have to pay for them.
Ayan, so punta na kami sa boat, sa malaking boat. Just ride to an orange boat. No to green, no to red, no to blue. Laki ng boat, oh. Wow naman. So, ito na yung mga boat. Parang magdi-delete ako ng app, ah. Ayan, naka-on na. So, going to Sumilon Island. Amoy hanip alip tanin. So, dito na kami sa Sumilon Sandbar. O, diba? Marami ding tao. Dito, pwedeng snorkeling ganun. Kaso, super lakas ng alon ng tubig. Pumunta nga kami kaso bumalik ako kasi hindi ko talaga kaya yung alon. Alam mo yung parang mauuntog ka sa mga bato. Ayan, so nakapila yung mga kasama namin. Dito kami tuwang-tuwa ng mga friends ko kasi yung isa lang ang tumuloy, kaming dalawa bumalik kami. Ayan sa baba nakikita niyo, ayan yung mga nag-snorkeling sila. Pero super lakas talaga, hindi ako marunong lumangoy, so balik na lang tayo, manood na lang sa kanila. Happy naman, happy pa rin. Hindi, sige lang, it's okay. Makapicture sana dapat dyan no? Ikaw kanila. Dapat no. So dito, ang ginawa lang namin, nag-view lang kami. Hindi na kami pumunta sa baba, tapos mamaya, puntahan na din natin mamaya. Then yung talagang white sand siya, pwede kang lumangoy doon, tambay-tambay lang, o yan. Dito kasi yung dito muna yung pupuntahan and balik kayo. Malapit sa may stopan ng malaking boat. Doon na kami tumambay matagal. Mga 30 minutes ata kami doon kasama ko. Ng mga kasama ko, I mean. Ayan, so ito yung sinasabi ko, di ba, white sand. Marami ding mga turista din talaga. Yan, nakapila, ganyan. Picture-picture dito, maligo dito. Kasi yung iba hindi na pumunta sa kabila eh. Okay, so nandito na tayo. Video-video na lang. Ayan. Panoorin ang tubig. Napakalinis ng tubig doon. Grabe din talaga. Wala kang masabi kundi wow, 'di ba? Tumambay na kami dito mga 30 minutes habang inaantay mga kasama namin sa kabila. Ayan, o 'di ba? Ang daming mga partners, family, ganun. Yan, katulad niyan, mga Koreano, marami ding mga AFAM, ganun. Ayan! So, sana nag-enjoy po tayo sa panonood. Pabalik na kami. Ayan. So, thank you so much everyone ulit for always supporting my channel. Bye-bye! Ito yung mga photos namin doon. 3 lang i-attach ko. Ayan, thank you ulit!